How to remove 8-ball pool account from Facebook. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to remove 8-ball pool account from Facebook. Removing 8-ball pool account from Facebook is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Facebook app. Launch the Facebook app on your mobile device. Go to Setting. Tap the 3 lines menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Setting and Privacy. Then tap on Setting. Go to App and Website. Scroll down to Permissions and tap App and Website. Find 8-ball pool. Look for 8-ball pool in the list of active apps. Remove the app. Tap 8-ball pool and then tap Remove at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap Remove again to complete the process. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can remove it from Facebook. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.